Applying for a BMO loan can be a straightforward process if you understand the steps involved. To start, determine the type of loan you need, such as a personal loan, mortgage, or line of credit. Research the different loan options offered by BMO and their corresponding interest rates and repayment terms. Next, check your credit score, as it plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you qualify for and whether your loan application is approved. You can request a free credit report from the credit bureaus to review your credit history. Now, gather the required documents, including identification, proof of income, and proof of employment. The specific documents needed may vary depending on the type of loan you are applying for. Ensure you have all the necessary documents before proceeding with the application. To apply for a BMO loan, you can visit the BMO website, use the mobile banking app, or visit a BMO branch in person. Fill out the loan application form, providing accurate and complete information. You will be asked to provide personal and financial information, as well as the loan amount and repayment term you are requesting. Once you have submitted your application, BMO will review your credit history and verify the information you provided. This may take a few days, and you may be contacted to provide additional information or clarification. If your loan is approved, you will receive the loan amount and be required to make regular payments according to the repayment terms. To manage your BMO loan effectively, set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. You can also consider setting up a budget to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. Regularly review your loan statement to ensure everything is in order and make adjustments as needed. Finally, consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan application process or need help managing your debt. They can provide personalized guidance and help you make informed decisions about your financial situation. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully apply for a BMO loan and manage your debt effectively.